Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off Safari restrictions on your iPhone. You know how sometimes Safari limits particular websites or particular content and you cannot simply see it, right? I'm gonna show you how you can turn this off and you will be able to see any type of content you want. The first thing that you want to do, guys, you want to go on your iPhone settings. When you're over here, you want to scroll down to the section screen time. Let's click on screen time. Then when you're over here, guys, you want to scroll down to the section content and privacy restrictions. When you click on this, you will have that there is a small section on the top. It says content and privacy restrictions, and there is a button that you can turn on and turn off. This is how simple it is. In this particular case, if this one is off, you'll be able to open any single page, any single picture or video on the web. That doesn't mean that you have to. Guys, be very careful. There are a lot of scams and a lot of dangerous websites out there. But just letting you know, this is how you can actually control this function on Safari. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.